Universal fit. This harness kit is compatible with all automobiles, boats and devices that use a 12 volts power source. 2 leads available with 2 sets of light output connectors for dual lighting fixtures. Heavy-duty harness with a wire gauge of 14 Aruban florins. This heavy-duty wiring harness can be used to connect a light bar within 300W. Simple connection equipped with DT connector. No wiring between LED light bar and the harness kit. Simple and easy installation. Circuit protection power relay together with inline blade fuse to defense against overcurrent and short circuit, ensuring safety. Package include 1 by 11.5 feet wiring harness kit. Product features: harness length 11.5 feet, leads available 2 leads, wire gauge 14 Aruban florins, maximum wattage 180W, operating voltage 12 volts, DC power. Note: please finish the installation by professionals or install the wiring harness under the guidance of professionals. Top reviews from the United States. Light bar harness. Easy to use, easy to install, good stuff, plugged right in my Aries light bar. Love the fact it had 2 hookups, that means less buttons to push for people that want get out of the way, if you know what I mean. Lol. And if someone bright lights men lol.